So this is my 2008 C6 Z06 car I've been wanting for many years now. Finally was able to make it happen. Finally got it. It's sitting here in my garage. Let's check it out. These cars are so much fun to drive. Like, it's just very driver oriented, which is, you know, just very driver oriented, which is what you want. I mean, it just feels like natural. I mean, this is just, in my eyes, like timeless. The sound of it, the feel of it, everything. I mean, the LS7 just screams, you know. Still tuning, so can't quite go full wide open throttle yet, but he has allowed me to do like 50% up to like 4K. I need to get a wideband to finish up tuning, but then Mark will get me all dialed. The same guy who tunes the V2, of course, you know. He'll probably look at me like I'm crazy because I have this phone mount on. Just wants to go. It just screams. This does have front and rear sway, aftermarket sway bars, so that's kind of cool. Well, and you gotta take everything at an angle, obviously. I didn't bring my GoPro, so I'm using a phone mount, so it might be a little bit shaky, but POV driving a 2008 C6 Z06, almost 20 years old, but I still love it. All raw. That's what she said. Now, I've always wanted a Heads Cam C6Z, in particular Heads Cam intake, because to me it was always the most well-balanced platform that you could buy. You know, this weighs 3,200 pounds, and if you can make close to 600 wheel, all motor, 7 liters, then it's an awesome platform. 6-speed manual, TR6060, that's what I had to go with. Didn't want the T56. They're not bad. I had it in a GTO. But if you have the option, the TR6060 is the way to go on the 08 and up. Because of that, finally was able to come across one, and it's already got all the parts I've wanted. Mods that are on this C6Z are intake manifold, cam, Cook's long tube headers, Nick Williams 103 throttle body, Haltech intake. I want to assume the heads are done. It already is ARP studded. The heads are, so it's hard to say. I mean, I got to pull the valve covers off at some point just to check it and see. Most likely that they are. As of course, the exhaust, MGW short throw shifter, pretty much everything that I would do to this car has already been done. So for me, I was able to save, you know, anywhere from 10 to 15 grand in mods alone by buying it already done. 42,000 miles on this car. Great shape. Not a whole lot I'm planning to do to the car. I mean, honestly, just probably maybe some carbon pieces like the front lip and the side skirts. May eventually do the spoiler, we'll see. But honestly, just drive the car, enjoy it, maintenance. It does have front and rear sway bars. Somebody upgraded those already. They're yellow. I can't find a logo on them. I haven't looked too hard. At the same time, it does have like an ATI front harmonic balancer on it. All ARP hardware. I mean, this car, whoever owned it, took pretty good care of it. I do need to get the wideband on it to finish the tuning for wide open throttle tuning. Have my boy Mark dial it in for me. But honestly, maybe I'll do a comparison video to how it stacks up to the V2 over here, the CTS-V. Way different cars. Obviously, the V2 is meant to be more for drag racing. They're both street cars. That's auto from a dig. This is like corners, some rolls, just street stuff, cruising. The raw power of a C6 manual is just so much fun. You do have kind of a really older interior, being that it's a 2008. You know, it does have an upgraded double din that was in the car. Upgraded speakers, they're not great. It's a Chevy at the end of the day, but no, I'm super excited. It's an awesome car. I can't wait to do more with this car and on the channel and show you guys a bit more about what I love about it and some things maybe I don't like about it. Also looking to see how I can make more videos in here. My goal is to do one a week. whether on whatever topic that may be, whether it's shooting in here in my garage, out and about, racing, all that type of stuff. Trying to just put out more content because this is what I love to do, you know. And I got 2 amazing cars here that I can do stuff with. That one I still need, what is it? Oh, cradle bushings tore, so it's kind of been annoying on the back burner. And obviously maybe I'll do a video on the truck too. People ask me how I like the new truck, so put out some more content there. So thanks guys, appreciate it.